back to the channel. Today we are learning an exciting way to generate income online using AI and Pinterest. If you've been looking for a simple yet effective way to make money online, this is it. And I'm going to show you step by step how to create your blog, have AI write your content, include your affiliate links, and make eye-catching Pinterest pins. Let's get started. So first things first, you need a blog site, and don't worry, it's easier than you think. So head over to a blogging platform. I'm going to use Wix for this example, but there's WordPress, there's bloggers, and there's other sites that you can look up if you want. But this one will allow you to start for free, and then you can upgrade later to add your own personal domain to make it trustworthy to buyers and people coming to your site. So enter all your info here and then hit sign up. Choose for yourself, continue. So Wix even has AI built into it so that it can create your blog so much faster. You can start with the chat, giving them information that they're asking for, and it will create your blog for you. Create your first blog post. You do that by clicking there. And now you got to create your blog post. So now let's talk content creation, because writing can be very time consuming, but with AI, it's a breeze. Just watch this. So head back over to ChatGPT. And then you're going to ask it to help you create a blog post. If you don't have an idea of even what to write for your blog post, ask ChatGPT. So it will generate 5 examples for you. You can take one of those. I like number 2, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a blog post for that. The trick to making money with this is that you want to be able to include some affiliate links. Ask ChatGPT to make spots for those. Here it is. You can take that and copy it, go back to your Wix, and where you were about to create your blog post, you're going to not enter it up here, you're going to enter it down here, okay? And then you can take the title, copy it, and then add it in the title section. Delete this. So after you copy the content and paste it into your blog, make sure to review and tweak it and to add any personal touch and ensure it aligns with your brand's voice. So next up is monetization, and this is where affiliate links come in. You want to sign up for affiliate programs that relate to your niche, and we had asked ChatGPT to give us some ideas here, so let's see what they suggested. For meal planning and bulk cooking, so the affiliate link opportunity, consider linking to a bulk food supplier or a meal planning service that offers affiliate programs. So this is where you want to sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. If you don't know how to do that, I will link the video that I already made at the end of this one. You just sign up for the programs, they'll give you a link and you can use that to enter into your blog. And I'm going to show you where you can enter that. I'm just going to say maybe HelloFresh. So again, you don't want to keep that. You would highlight the word, you go up to the link, and that's where you paste your URL from HelloFresh. Because like I said, they will give you a link, and that link, when people go to that link and purchase, you get paid. Enter your link there, and then you'll hit save, and then this will change color. Okay, and you do that for each of these ideas. So you'll include these links naturally within your blog, like when you're suggesting a yoga mat for your home workout blog. And this way, when readers click and make a purchase, you earn a commission, easy money. Now let's drive traffic to your blog with using Pinterest, and AI can help with that too. Head over to Canva, put in Pinterest, use the Pinterest pin. Here are some examples. You can even get choose from style, theme, features, color. See, this one's very eye-catching. You can customize that. You put your blog site name down here if you have your domain. And then to change out this picture, if you like this picture here, I like how she's holding the piggy bank, and it's a person too. And this is where the magic of AI can come in handy. So when you have that highlighted, go to Edit Image, Background Remover. There you go. It's just her now, see? So you delete the guy, and there you go. And then you just download, hit the download button, and then download again. Then you're going to go over to Pinterest, upload your pin to Pinterest. Okay, you're going to add a title, a description, link it back to your blog here, and watch the traffic roll in. And there you have it. Following these simple steps, you can start to generate income online using AI and Pinterest. create engaging content, monetize with affiliate links, and drive traffic with stunning Pinterest pins. And if you're looking for a ready-made business to kickstart your journey into affiliate marketing with 4 high-ticket income streams that I personally use, you can check out the description below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I hope this helps.